All right, Royals, as you can tell by the title, this is a bedroom refresh. We are going to be cleaning this space from top to bottom and giving it a much needed cleaning and refreshing for the spring seasons. Now sit back and relax as I give this space a touch of royalty. Enjoy!
Sunsets, you asking me to come through, kick it with you. Night turning to morning dew. Then you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. My place is your place, let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. Places. My place is your place. My place. Your place. My place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like you do. Baby, don't stop. Got the key to the lock. We in our own zone. Make yourself at home. Get to know mine on the inside. You can meet at yours next time. And you feel it freshening, lose control. You don't wanna go slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place now. My place is your place, let's face it. Baby, you know all the places. Places. My place is your place. Your place is my place. Just face it. No one knows my places like you do. Your places like I do. My place like
Guys, I am spraying each layer of bedding with the DIY linen spray. It is Downy scent beads mixed with warm water, and voila, you have yourself a DIY linen spray that you can use on any linen of choice, bedding, window treatments, or what have you. So, thank me later, but in the meantime, let's get this bed styled. Enjoy! All right, everything is cleaned and styled. Let's get on to some organization. This portion of today's video is being sponsored by my friends over at Life With. They sent me out this little organization packet, guys, and in it was a box of clear stackable bins, and I'm so thrilled to finally receive these. I had been on the market for some, and so when this collaboration came about, it was perfect timing. In addition to the bins, they sent me a much needed clothes hamper. I chose a gray and white to go with the scheme or theme of my owner's bathroom, so I am loving these additions to my organization arsenal. You guys have heard me say all year that the key to a luxe home is a well organized and clean home. And so these are the things that make living luxe and essential. I am so excited to have this very sturdy hamper to add into my organization collection, as well as these stackable bins. They can be used for a variety of things, from makeup to jewelry to kitchen organization and so much more. So kudos to Life With, guys. You've heard me talk about them. They carry a variety of organizational items, from storage bins to hampers to stackable containers and so much more. So I'm going to get these all opened up, and you will see how I use them to make my life a little bit easier. Again, I have a variety of sizes, and as you can see, they are stackable, so you can customize them to fit any space that you need, whether vanity, table, a coffee bar, a beverage area, vanity, or what have you. These are wonderful, and they are very, very versatile. Now, guys, it's time to get transparent. These are those areas that we don't like to share. It's the drawers, the junk drawers. But for me, this has become slightly obsessive. I have a slight obsession with costume jewelry, guys. And as you can see here, my drawer and my nightstand is consumed or filled with costume jewelry. So I'm going to edit this out. And I want to make better use of this real estate in my home. Small space means you have to be very intricate in your organization. So I'm going to find another home for the jewelry, but here I've cleaned the drawer out, and I am going to go ahead and start inserting the containers to see just how they will function for the idea I have at hand. I'm deciding to use this to store some of my perfumes. I had them stored on a vanity tray, but they just collected dust, and I didn't like them just being out and exposed like that. So I want to keep them in a nice, cool place, like a closet, and I thought this drawer would be ideal. And these are some of the ones that I typically go to, so I thought this would be perfect to reorganize this space and make it more functional for me in the way that I live. And that's the key to creating luxury in your home, is to create something that is perfect for the way that you live. I just went ahead and pulled the entire tray up. It was sitting under my little makeshift computer desk, again collecting dust, and I did not like the look of it. And besides, I wanted to utilize this 3-tier tray in another space in my home. So these clear bins were the perfect addition to my area.
Lately there's something that's missing. Empty bed doesn't feel empty hearts. Typical me reminiscing. A memory doesn't heal open scars. Late night drinking, wishful thinking.
Now, guys, as I'm organizing, I am literally doing this in real time. I had no idea how many bottles I can store in here, but I am utterly surprised to find that I am able to store nearly 50 bottles of my favorite perfumes. Most of them are 3 ounces, 3.4 ounces size bottles, and I am able to get them in here very comfortably and even have more room to grow. So I'm going to go ahead and add in some of my other Dossier collections and just utilize this in the best way possible for me. I'm going to go ahead and color code my perfumes in purple bottles, pink bottles, red bottles, you know, a little extra, but that's just who I am. So it's the royal way. Let's continue on. Not only was I able to get my drawer organized, but I was able to organize the drawer for my king as well. So the other bins, I divided them in half, and I was able to utilize the other half for his drawer. As you can see, his bow ties, his handkerchiefs, his colognes. Most of his colognes were able to be stored in here. His watches, just his little go-to items, his personal items. He even had a couple of the Darcier bottles. And I am really, really thrilled with the way this turned out. No more just throwing things in the drawer. Everything has a home. And I am so thrilled with these clear bins or containers from LifeWith. Again, they are stackable, multi-sizes, multi-function, and definitely a winner in my book. And after everything is clean and organized, what I am left with is a warm, crisp, refreshing space that is definitely fit for the king and queen.
Found myself inside all this tension, a feeling I never was expecting. I don't see the pros, don't know the cons, forget the whys. Do you know why? Triggered inside this situation. Wonder if we maybe were mistaken. Don't wanna talk, don't wanna see, don't wanna feel it. What is left? I've been thinking about us and the things you say. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. It hurts me how everything was wasted. Now all the nights seem so overrated. What was it worth? I can take back, I can stop feeling. How about you? I've been thinking about us and the things you said. How you don't feel enough to come share my bed. All I ever wanted was the truth, and I got it. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I just wanna lay here inside of your arms. Maybe we could jump back to the start. And you never would talk to me then if we never met, babe. If we never met. Is it too much to ask? A little conversation, a minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation. I don't want your love, just a little conversation. A minute's enough to work out the frustration. There's no need to make me bite the pavement. A little conversation.
All right, guys, here's the deets on the bedding. My bed is from Ashley Furniture. The mattress is a low mattress. The sheets are by Nautica. The white bedding is by J Queen, of course. The Oslo throw is from Z Gallery, along with the beaded ombre pillows. The sparkly aqua pillows are from Home Goods, and the faux fur pillow in the front is from Burlington. And as you can see, it came together to create a beautiful oasis for my king and I. The nightstands are from a local furniture store. The lamps are by Uttermost. The accessories on each nightstand are from Home Goods. My photo frames are DIY by yours truly. The large floor length mirror is from Z Gallery. All right, that's it. That's all the details on this beautiful space. So if you are new here, your first time visiting, and you see what you like and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and join the royal family. As you can see, we are full of inspiration, motivation, and so much creativity. And we would love to have you come along and be a part of this royal journey with us. Now to my tried and trues and my brand new boos, you guys know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you all for your continued support. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, and share. Let me know what was your favorite part of this refresh. Connect with me on other social media platforms, guys. I can be found at RoyalTDesignswithTravina on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Until the next video, I want you all to stay safe, remain royal, and have yourselves a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. I'll see you in the next one.